Today we're opening this
Say hello.
Play-Doh. Hello, everybody. We're opening this Play-Doh.
Wait. Anaiya Craft.
I'm Anaiya Craft.
And
And
I'm
this-
Vivian Craft.
Yeah,
So,
and I'm 4. I'm gonna be 4.
no, we've already.
Well, we go.
Okay, so what can you make with the Play-Doh? Show them.
I'm gonna open it with my teeth.
Yay, you did it.
And now,
Is this Play-Doh? Wait, is this Play? Okay, now make something amazing. Can you see it?
We got something inside.
Show them you making it.
Ow!
Should I get out?
You can feel it?
Yes.
Wow.
Here's the blue tack. No, the Play-Doh. Now you. Hey.
You found some.
Oh no! Look, she found some treasure in the Play-Doh.
We found treasure in the Play-Doh.
What?
We found it this.
Don't make mess
Show them.
on the floor.
Show them. It's a white paper thingy. So.
It's Elsa. 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 It's an Elsa sticker.
Siska.
Elsa sticker.
Oh, Elsa sticker. Show them. Uh-oh, quickly. It's about to run out. Quick. It's about to run out. Quick.
This is my Play-Doh.
Wait, they can't see. They can't see. There's an Elsa sticker. Say bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you next time. Goodbye.